Hi, my name's 𝘄𝘄𝘄𝗃. It's a new series, Flipro's Favourites. I'm going to show you exactly what it is that we do to add value to people's lives, people's properties and people's projects. Let's go. Project 1 St Ives, one of my favourite projects for a whole range of reasons. Very interesting scenario, this one. Had a very experienced property owner, had done a lot of renovations before, knew exactly what they were doing. Business had been COVID affected. They really needed our renovate now, pay when you sell payment options. It's not that the customer didn't have enough money floating around, they didn't have enough cash flow due to COVID situations. So basically, we looked at the property. It was one that was probably worth about $1.5 million when we did a valuation. And on the end, the valuation said, look, it's probably worth around $2.2 to $2.3 million. We went in there and we did our own assessment. We estimated the property was probably worth north of $2.5 million. And sometimes you've got to know what you're looking at to actually realise what sort of value is going to be in a property, because not everybody's going to know. Particularly valuers, they're very good at what they do, but if you've got a Melbourne valuer valuing a Sydney property, maybe they don't get it right. Now we think in this case, the valuer was close, but it wasn't bang on, and there was some more upside there to be had for the homeowner. So what we did was we had a good look at the project, we had a good look at the client, and we came up with a proposal. Now, in other words, we think that some of the project was going to be overcapitalised to some extent. We slashed out some of the costs. We ended up having about a $300,000 renovation budget, and the end result of that was over $1 million in uptick. So the property, as his valuation, was $1.5 million. It ended up selling for over $2.6 million within a 6-month period, and after a 3-month project lead-in time period. So in other words, from go to woe, from day one, 90 days, the project was complete, $300,000 was put into it, and over $1 million was added in value. Okay, that's pretty impressive. I'm not sure where you're going to get those returns within such short time period, but we were certainly able to do that with our client, and more importantly, they didn't have to use any of their own money to do it. So in regard to the St Ives project, in summary, one of the areas that we really added a lot of value, not only did we partner with the customer to deliver the project in regard to our capital capabilities, but selecting the right agent, making sure the right trades and the right contracts were used and engaged, making sure that the job stayed within the right timelines, and making sure that the right strategy, in other words, the right bathrooms were had the right colour for the area, making sure the right flooring was used, basically making sure that the right strategy was implemented to bring the best and highest sales value at the end of the day. That's where we really added the value for the client, and certainly we would hope that they'll be a repeat customer.